Welcome guys, today I am with Metz Smart TV and I'm gonna show you how you can sign in with your Google account. So at the first, we have to use our remote control and we have to go for the right upper corner for the settings icon. And next we have to go for the accounts and sign in. After that we'll get this information, so we have to click to sign in. And right now we have to input our email. So let me just do this. Of course, you are going to make it with these arrows on your pilot, on your remote control, however you call it. I'm gonna just put my hand down because it covers some part of the screen. Okay, if you finish with your mail or phone number, you have to go for this icon and click OK to confirm and go forward. Right now we have to put our password right here, so that's another step. Okay, and if you input your password, you can just go another time for this arrow and click OK to check if the password is correct. If it will be correct, you will be logged in with your account. Of course, you have to remember that you have to be also connected to the Wi-Fi network before using your account. And as you can see, there it is. Right now, we successfully log in with our account. When I click on it right now, as you can see, that's the information about our account, but also we can add another one. So yeah, that's how you can log in with your account on the Metz TV. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.